What we do now is delete this one. Right click on your slide, go to background, click on insert picture, this device. So you go to where your picture is stored, then this is what I want to use, open. Then we have the background. The next thing is let us have the circle shape. You come to insert, then you come to shapes. This is oval shape. You can use the oval shape. Right. Now make it bigger. You can right click on it, click on format option, so you can change the width and the height. Let's say 8 by 8. Let me put it 8 by 8. Then I want to in this one, I have to make sure you can see the guideline. I have to make sure that it's at the center. So this is what I want to use. Then let us remove come to shape, the shape fill, change it to no fill. Then come to shape again, come to the shape outline, change it to white. Then you come to shape again to change the width. That is the weight of that shape. Let's pick this. Yes. So this one is set like this. Insert a text box. You come to insert. You can come to insert. You can also do it from the shape. This is text box. You draw a text box. Text box. We want to write object in the sky. We change the size. Then we bold. Change the color to white. Put it at center. You come to this place, center. Then we can adjust this one. Yes. Then you make sure that this one too is at the center. Yes, we put it at the center. Then I want to change this one to yellow. So this set. Then I can also have another text box. Let me copy the text. This is the text. Then insert text box, which this one will be inside there. Then I can paste the text. Then this one, change the color. Come to home, change the color to white. Then change it to center. Then we can adjust this one a little. So this one can come here around there. Then let us bring in our picture. We come to insert picture, this device. We want to insert the picture of the star. This is star. So we can come to this place, the picture style. We can let's pick this one. Yes. Then I can reduce it. Then we make sure it is at the center also. Then let us change the width or the weight of that circle, the outline. Let us change it to something like this. Fine. Now the next thing is copy and paste. Copy and paste. You have to use this. You can change the image of this one to another one. Click on it. Then we have to change picture here. Then this device. Then we can rotate this rainbow like this. Then the next one. So this one is necessary this time around. Helicopter. This one is necessary. We have to bring it like this. 270. This is fine. Then let us group everything together plus the circle that we drew the other time. Then this is a picture. We come to picture. We come to arrange. Then this is group. Now we have it. Yeah. So this one, copy and paste, copy and paste. Let us change this one to rainbow. Select everything together to be on the straight, to be aligned properly to the top. So you can come to this shape. This is arrange. This is align, then align top. The other thing is we have to distribute it. Align and distribute. Arrange, align, then we distribute it horizontally. We duplicate it like this. So on the second one, we have to rotate our object to this. This is rainbow, then we bring in the rainbow, This is rainbow. Then we have to change the text inside to rainbow. We duplicate the slide again. That's all. So you select all the slides, then you come to transition and change it to morph transition. That's all. Come to slideshow, and now we have it.